I think it all starts with consent. Obviously, regulation, particularly around privacy, is so important to all advertisers, all agencies. Being able to demonstrate a user's been segmented correctly, making sure we've got that consent. Once we have that consent and we know which non-personally identifiable information we can use to segment users and try and understand what they're about, what they're into, how we can help appeal to their wants and desires and needs and their general kind of lifestyle is absolutely crucial to us. And logged in data is going to be a great way of doing that, as is being able to show consent from start to finish for some of those aggregators outside of the major platforms. Once we have, the most comprehensive and compliant profile of those users, that's how we're really going to be able to unlock kind of real quality benefits there, and just make sure again that we're delivering the right message to the right user at the right time based on information that they've consented us to use to marketing purposes.
I think with the lack of cookies or cookies going away, we're going to see a push back to context as a proxy for audience. So in desktop and in mobile video, we're seeing a lot of technologies come along that can scan the video itself and then be able to target that, contextualize that buyers can then target based on sports or whatever the content of the video is. In the CTV space, we're seeing a lot of metadata being passed so that you can target on specific shows or categories, even all the way down to actor level. So that type of context is now going to come back again when historically with programmatic, when you're chasing the cookies and audiences, that had less relevance.
So the data-led solutions are mainly run through Google's YouTube and Facebook, and we see that will continue. At PhD, we've recently done quite a lot of dynamic creative tests in video, and we're looking forward to doing more of those in 2020 and really partnering up the creative with the audience-led solutions. And then in the broadcaster VOD world and direct publisher world, we're using video more as a broadcast mechanism to deliver high reach, less around audience buys.
Regardless of what happens with regulators when it comes to privacy and browsers blocking third-party cookies, I think there will still be some type of identification that's used for data-driven advertising. So the ability to still target users in a privacy-compliant way will still exist, but it just may not be underpinned by the third-party cookie. But again, what that looks like, I think there's going to be a lot of change over the next 12 to 24 months.